Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? Here we have a 2013 Cadillac SRX we're going to be working on. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. We're going to pop the hood. To pop the hood, there is a, right next to the kick panel, right here, there's a little lever with a hood. Just pull that lever. To release the safety, there's a little lever right here. You're going to push it towards the driver's side, lift it up. Washer fluid is located right here. You can pull the cap off with this tab, just like that. You can top off the washer fluid. Try not to spill. Top it off, and then we can close the lid.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.